just giving up, just to give up. I don't spot anything, but yeah, this is a good fish. It's a darn good fish. Well, they all feel this good. He's on, but he's getting tired, and I don't blame him. It's a long way to come in. Okay, where's the... Turn this off altogether. Come on over. Fish. God dang it. Where is it? Oh, I hope I got him. Jeez. He's in. Oh man, do I have my GoPro on? I hope so. It's a good fish.